Good morning and welcome. Today I am painting on this. It's a it came black, so it was purchased with black gesso on it. So I thought that it would help work more perfectly with these Amsterdam acrylic pearlescents. So I've mixed up all these lovely colours, which is the green, the blue, pearl grey, it says pearl yellow actually, yeah, and this pearlescent violet. So I've mixed these colours in my little tray here, and I've only mixed them with Floetrol and a little bit of the Liquitex gloss medium, a little bit. So I don't normally use that. This is so expensive in Australia, this high gloss, actually it's high gloss varnish. Maybe I'll put the wrong thing in. Oops! Anyway, I squirted a bit of that in. This tiny little 8 US fluid ounces cost me $65, so I use it very sparingly. So there you go. So that's what I've mixed up today, and I'm going to put all of those colours on a bed of black as well. So this actually, I did see Molly from Molly's Artistry do something similar, and I don't know if it's going to be similar to mine because I haven't done it yet, but Molly's turned out absolutely gorgeous, and I thought, oh, I've got those lovely pearlescent paints there, which my lovely friend Sue from Victoria sent me these paints, so I'm very grateful to you, Sue, as always. Thank you so much. So I really hope I do the paint justice on this black canvas. So I'm excited about this, but nervous, because you don't see the really lovely results until after you've after it's all dried. Gosh, I'm losing my brain here. So I'm going to put this colour down in the centre, which I think is a bit thick, a little bit thick. Probably could do with watering the next, or just adding more Floetrol or water to my next cup that I have left. So I might thin it down a bit because that seems very thick. I know Molly said that she did hers quite thick, but that's really not going to move when I tilt it. So I've just added a little bit more Floetrol to the second cup. I've just added Floetrol to the second cup I have here. Didn't think it was that thick because it didn't really leave much of a trace, but when I put it on the canvas, it's very thick, very thick, very thick. So let's hope I haven't ruined it before I've even started. So I'm going to just make sure I have a really nice bed of this down. Oh, I don't know if that's going to spread all over the canvas, but we'll give it a go. Give it a go. I'm going to do these in puddles all over. So these are quite thick too. I remember Molly saying that she kept the puddles quite thick. So I'm going to follow suit. I don't know what colour this is because they all look the same once you've mixed them. But I'm going to put puddles of each colour all the way through. Absolutely stunningly beautiful as we're going into autumn, but it's still about 28 degrees here in Queensland, which we're so grateful for because we've had so much rain this summer. So I'm actually looking forward to our winters are very, very mild, and our winters are notoriously dry. So we'll get the nice dry sunny weather in Queensland. So it's the actual time to go further up north in Queensland to the hotter areas of Cairns and Port Douglas. Just beautiful up there, tropical rainforesty, and perfect to go in the winter time because there's not so many of the dangerous box jellyfish in the ocean, but you still have to go in only netted areas apparently. Yeah, pretty wild here in Australia. Now I was going to like put a comb through this whole lot, but I'm not gonna. I'm just going to kind of wreck my puddles with a skewer and see how we go from there. And apparently, I know Molly did it, Molly's Artistry did it in a white background and then she's done it in a black. Me personally think the black background turns out, from what I've seen, so much nicer. Because I suppose the pearlescents really stand out. So, this is the last one I have. I'm not sure whether I should have spread that out first. I think that I should have layered the colours on top of a real thick bed of paint. So I already think I've gone and done a boo-boo. But, you know, you live and learn, hey? It'll be interesting doing it on a black canvas actually. So I'm going to get my skewery bit, my Nanoma skewery, if I can find it. Oh my goodness, okay, I thought I had it here. So I'm not going to do the real pointy end. I've seen Molly did one that was just like as though she made them into love hearts everywhere. And I think it was the one I seen. As you do, you see so many, but I think I'm going to keep like just a love hearty effect, a wobbly love heart. I have done a previous couple of videos in these. They turned out nice, but wasn't like overly crazy about them. So I'm just hoping I'll get better results. So that's my, you know, just something that I wasn't happy with, but I'm gonna try and get these to come out nicely. Maybe if I put a bit more in between them. I'm not sure. I think I should wreck them more or should just leave them. I think I'm going to leave them. Oh, you can already see that colour where I've gone and coming up in the black. So that's promising. Let's give this a go. Maybe I should have done bigger puddles. Maybe I should. Oh, okay. I think I should have done bigger puddles. Oh, geez Louise. Maybe it's not too late to add a few more puddles. Bigger puddles. I think the whole lot of the puddles should have been much bigger than what I did. So you live and learn, and I'm learning all the time, even at my great age. Keeping them sort of into the centre. So I don't know. Let's put my skewer down, and then I can't. I'll tell you what, I'm losing it. I can't find my skewer. Oh jeez, come on. Can't find it. Must have dropped. Don't know. I'll use this one. Sort of wrecking them because it'll put hopefully interesting shapes in the pearlescent effect. But definitely feel I should have done bigger poodoos. Okay, I'll just gently try and get it over each side. Okay, definitely should have done bigger puddles. Let's turn it all the way around. It'll be easier to show you guys. Really don't want to lose your pearlescent too much off here. That's the, the pearlescent paints are not cheap, they're expensive. So even though I was gifted them, I'm always very mindful not to waste too much. Probably didn't need as much black as I was panicking with, but sure, I think I'll try and get a bit more of these. Pearlescents in there. Righty-o. Oh, I'm not sure if I've done that properly, but you've got to just give it a go, and now I'll let it dry and we will see the end results. I am so tempted to just put a little bit in the corner here and balloon kiss it, to see what a balloon kiss with the pearlescent paints, if it turns out or not. So I've just got a deflated balloon here. Let's just, oh, well, there you go, I lost the whole lot. So I probably should have waited till the paint dried off a little bit. Oh, there you go. It's come out. So there was me thinking I'd not added enough black, but I think now it's actually too much. Oh, there's kisses come up beautiful. That certainly is adding my own signature kiss to a pearlescent. Well, I'm just going to let this one dry and we'll see how it turns out. So wish me luck. I think I should have done much bigger puddles. I think I shouldn't have put so much black, which I went overboard on it. I would love to do them with the balloon kisses on the black, because I can already see that one, the pearlescent green, is shining through beautifully. So we'll see. Well, it is not what I expected at all, but as you can see, I actually fiddled some more. I used a comb in it to create those like little bits. I just went overboard. I fully understand that I should have had my hand slapped. I just couldn't help myself. It's actually the bit that sort of just looks as though it's dried creamy. In real life, that's real goldy looking. So I'm not sure why it didn't come up on the photo so gold. But it was interesting. I will try again next time. Hope you liked it.